Alright, we're going to talk about exponents today. This is topic 1. I know you probably watched a couple of the Khan Academy videos, and if you didn't quite explain them, or if you didn't quite understand them, I'm going to explain it again. Alright, so this first one, x times x times x times x, that is x to the 4th power. A times A and B times B, or AB times AB, 2 A's and 2 B's. X squared times x to the 6th. X squared is really 2 x's. X to the 6th is 6 of them. So how many do you have? 8. Here, a cubed and a to the 8th. You have 3 a's and then 8 a's gives you 11 a's. B to the 6th and then b squared. 6 b's and 2 b's gives you 8 b's total. So when you're multiplying and you have the same base, only with the same base, when you are multiplying, you can add the exponents. Okay, so let's look at a couple more. This one, x times x times y times x times x times y. 1, 2, 3, 4 x's and 2 y's. The next one, you have 1a and then 2 a's, so that's 3. 2 b's there and 1 more b gives you 3 b's. And then 3 times 3 is 9. Or 3 squared, and 3 squared is 9. Next one, m to the 6th, and then m, so that's a 1, and a 1, so 6, 7, 8, 9 m's, and a 3. And that's that. Okay, so I'm going to look at a couple more. If you have something like 2, a to the 4th, b to the 3rd, times negative 6, a squared b. Any coefficients, you just multiply them. 2 times negative 6 is negative 12. And then a to the 4th and a squared, 4 plus 2 is a to the 6th. And then b cubed plus b is b to the 4th. Okay, b to the 4th there. So there's another example for you. Now, next, we're going to look at these ones. X squared to the 4th power. Well, x squared to the 4th power is that. And so now that you're multiplying with like bases, you can add 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is x to the 8th. With this one, x to the 4th 3 times. 4 plus 4 plus 4 is x to the 12th. So how can we get 8 without writing this out? From 2 and 4. And then how do we get 12? From 4 and 3? Yeah, we multiply. So x to the a to the b, that's called a power to a power. You multiply. Okay, x to the a to the b power means you multiply those. So this first one, oh wait, not this first one, that's that one. The next one here, ab all to the 3rd power means you have ab to the 3rd power. Well, that's just 3 a's and 3 b's. Okay, 2a to the 3rd means you have 2a 3 times. Well, 2 times 2 times 2 is 2 to the 3rd. A times a times a is a to the 3rd. Here, a squared b to the 5th 3 times. 2 plus 2 plus 2, okay, the 2 plus 2 plus 2 is a to the 6th. B to the 5th, b to the 5th, b to the 5th, 5 plus 5 plus 5 is 15. Okay, so now what did we do here? That 3 has to go to both. Okay, 2 to the 3rd and a to the 3rd. A squared, so this one is basically saying a squared to the 3rd, 2 times 3 is 6, and then b to the 5th to the 3rd, 5 times 3 is 15. Okay, so when you have a power to a product, a to the m, b to the m. Okay, this one is power to a power, and this one is power to a product. Okay, so let's look at some practice problems here. X times x squared times x to the 7th, 1 plus 2 plus 7 is x to the 10th. This one, y squared times y, 2 plus 1 is y to the 3rd, and then z times z squared, 1 plus 2 is z cubed. The next one, we have negative 2 times negative 4. Negative 2 times negative 4 is positive 8. C to the 4th times C, so 4 plus 1 is C to the 5th. And then D times D is D squared. The next one, 3pr squared, all of that squared, means you have basically this. Or in other words, 3 squared, p squared, and r squared squared. Power to a power, we multiply, so that's r to the 4th. And you have p squared and 3 squared. 3 times 3 is 9. Okay. This next one, you have negative 3 to the 3rd power and y to the 3rd power. Well, negative 3 times negative 3 is 9 times negative 3, so negative 27 y to the 3rd. This one, we have this product squared. We have to do that first, okay? So negative 18 squared is negative 18 times negative 18. You have m squared squared and n squared, and then just times this negative 1/6 mn squared. So if I pull out my coefficients, I have negative 18 times negative 18 times negative 1/6. 6 goes into 6 once, into 18 3 times. So 18 times 3 is 54. Negative times a negative is a positive, times a negative gives you a negative. Then here, m squared squared is m to the 4th, times m gives you m to the 5th. N squared times n squared, 2 plus 2 is 4. So that's your answer there. Okay, so there are some more examples. Hopefully that helps you understand topic 1 a little bit better.